Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to Claude in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude AI. Now, over here, you just have to log in if you haven't already in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, over here, click on the option of customize, which will be available here in the left hand side. Then click on the option of connect your apps. Now over here in the connectors, you will be shown all of the Anthropic and the partner applications that you can currently connect with it. So among these, you just have to simply look for Zapier. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and then you can just simply search for Zapier over here. So when you search for Zapier, if you are able to find it here in this list, as you can see, it is available here. Simply click on the plus icon right next to it. Then you will be landed here on the official homepage of Zapier. Now over here, you just have to continue with the help of your Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft account, SSO, or even with the help of your email address. And then on the next page, you just have to do nothing but to just simply allow, approve, or authenticate this particular connection. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you again here on Claude AI. And when you come back here on the home page, you will be able to easily use Zapier extension with Claude. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.